of our big things is sustainability. So the company is highly pushing that area of the business. It's something that we work on with our customers. So we've recently replaced our outside and inside forklifts, working closely with HUBTEX to enable us to move forward with different productivity and safety features. So we've had a strong collaboration and relationship with HUBTEX over those years. So when we look to renew our forklifts outside, we worked with HUBTEX on, first of all, one of our key initiatives, sustainability. So we've moved away from gas to electric forklifts, but also there were other features such as improved turning circle and wheelbase. So the forklifts now allow us to turn and move without sort of damaging the floor outside, much smoother, much faster, improved productivity. We're having less damage, less repair to the ground because the forklifts are moving in a much smoother way. One of the criteria when selecting our wired guidance forklifts was how can we be more sustainable. So we've moved away from gas on the outside forklifts, but internally there was an servo mechanism which allowed us to reduce further our energy consumption. So those forklifts internally on the wired guidance have that mechanism in place, which again has helped with our sustainability message.